Hello friends, I am your book reader Prasad, and in this video I am going to review the book name Attitude is Everything. Whether you should read this book or not, why you should read this book, or what will you get out of this book, and where you will get free audiobook of this book. So if you have any kind of question like this, keep watching the video. I hope you will get your all answer solved in this video. So let's get started. Basically, this book contains around 130 pages and 12 chapters, and this book basically divided into 3 parts, which I'll show you on the screen, so you'll get to know whether you should read this book or not. Read the chapters properly so you'll get to know what you'll get out of this. As you can see on the screen that this book is divided into 3 parts. First part is about thinking, second part is about words, and third part is about action. In the first part, Success Begins in Mind, we'll be focusing on power of attitude and belief to shape your identity, and you will learn how your success initially depends on the way that you think. And second part, watch your words, will be concentrate on the way that you speak, how your attitude is reflected in your words, and how positive language can help you to propel you towards your goals. And in the third part, heaven helps those who act, we will cover the final leg of your journey. And even if you think positively or speak positively, you will not achieve your dreams until you act. Friends, you can't sit back just and expect success to pay you a visit. In this section, you will learn the action step that will turn your dream into reality. Now, I hope you have got to know that this book contains only 120 pages. This book has only 12 chapters and divided into 3 parts. And this book is very thin. So if you are beginner, so this is very best book for you to start reading. If you want to be readers, if you want to learn lots of things in your life, if you want to change your attitude, if you want to know how your attitude can change your life, so this book is for you. I damn sure that if you read this book and implement the principle described in this book, so you will change your attitude, you will change the way you see the things, you will change the way you speak, and lots of things will change in your life once you read this book. So my advice to you that you must read this book, because I have just completed reading this book and I loved the reading. I even want to read it in the future because this book is one of the greatest books that I have ever. Whatever good stuff I have said about this book is not just to make video great, it's not like that. Because I have just completed reading and I have experienced whatever I am seeing. This is all about my experience that I have got from this book, I have learned from this book. And if you want to change your life, if you want to change your attitude, if you want to see the same things in different way, please, I must recommend you that you must read this book. And the last question that you all have, that where I will get the free audiobook of this book. So I have the surprise for you. I am your book reader Prasad will create particular video for particular chapters. All 12 videos for 12 chapters and 1 video for introduction will be soon uploaded on this same channel. You will get all videos in the playlist named as Attitude is Everything, and I will share link of each videos in the description with a name, so you will get to know which chapter you want to read or not. Means some chapter maybe you don't like, or some chapter that you will love to reading. So if you want to reread that chapter, you don't need to go out or there. You will get each videos, particular videos, so it will be very easy for you to find out the chapters easily. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel. And if you want more book reading videos, and I have lots of books that I have read on the regular basis, so please, if you love the reading, so please subscribe the channel. I am reading on the regular basis. I will keep uploading videos like this, amazing. And if you want more audiobooks, please subscribe the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with the amazing book video review. And if you want free audiobook, don't forget to check description box where I'll share the links of all 12 chapters, and you can see the same in the channel's playlist section, where you will see one playlist named as Attitude is Everything, where I'll share all videos of this book. So let's get started. So now enjoy the reading and see you in the next video, guys.